Hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. Now as you can see, I am the reigning, defending, undisputed Art of Champion of the world and I'm here to defend my title. Get off! It's mine. Last time on the Art of, Scenescapeshop went up against Josh, PaintWithJosh, and Faye, PaintWithFaye. They faced Dean, PaintWithNobody. It's just a Scenescapeshop. That's me. I don't paint with no one. I make too much noise. People talking and stuff to us while I'm trying to concentrate. Shut up! No, I do time-lapse videos. All the full-time, non-time-lapsed versions of my paintings are being saved for my online art classes, which are launching very, very soon. Last time we did an art of based on a poem that my lovely wife Danielle wrote called Watching Over You, and I painted a nice sunrise, sunset, orangey yellow sky with birds flying over and mountains, and Josh painted a creepy horror scene. Don't think he understood the challenge. And Faye did trees. No, he did understand the challenge. He just did it like a watching over, like stalking, like creepy. And he had in Josh's paintings. If you look closely at Josh's paintings, you can see all kinds of lovely details and stuff. And often people say, I can see a mermaid, I can see a lion, I can see a bear and stuff in his mountains. He's a good painter, Josh. But not as good as me because I won. Faye, on the other hand, is a certified Ross instructor. Faye did willow trees, protecting, overseeing, watching over the landscape. Beautiful trees, beautiful landscape painter, Faye. She's an excellent painter. She's so relaxing as well when you watch her stream, and if you subscribe to her and stuff and take her online classes. She's just so calming and beautiful, and she's amazing. Josh is slightly less beautiful, but he's equally amazing. But I'm more beautiful and more amazing because I won. Boy, I need some food. I feel lightheaded. I need some breakfast. I am beautiful. I am really beautiful. I am. This time, the challenge suggested by Josh this time. And when it was suggested by Josh, I was like, here we go, UFOs, Kraken monsters, sea monsters, oh my goodness, creepy little bastards outside of houses. What's he going to suggest? And he suggested, actually, a very interesting challenge. This challenge will be a limited colour palette challenge, only being able to use black, white, and blue. Prussian blue, to be exact, which is one of my favourite blues, other than phthalo and cerulean. Not many other blues. I hate Prussian blue, it gets everywhere. So I've got no idea what they've painted. All I can do is do my best to retain my championship, which I love so much. It is an awesome championship though, isn't it? I made that myself. I didn't really. So Josh, put your little gloves on. Faye, take your little shoes off. Because Scenescapeshop is going to put the kettle on and make a cup of coffee and paint a picture.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Art Off! Art Off! Art Off! Art Off! Art Off! Art Off!
So today, I'm so excited to bring to you my response to Dean's challenge.